going on, YouTube fam? I'm back, finna drop some Newedge content. If it seems like I'm looking that way, it was because of the camera on this side. I don't really know. But anyways, I got some parts that just came in for the Newedge, and I'm about to go over that. And I'm gonna give y'all like a brief update on what's going on with the Newedge, since it is an ongoing like project type shit, you know what I'm saying? And the S197 is pretty much done. I'm in the Ford Ranger right now. I'm in my Ford Ranger. We finna go to the back of the truck. I'm gonna show y'all what parts I got in, do an unboxing process on one of the mods or whatever, and I'm gonna give y'all a good little rundown on what's to come in the future for this car. All right, so as you can see, I got headlights. Shout out to stain lights for these clear corners. They gonna look so good in this car on that white, if I keep it white. I had to get another transmission bracket, cross member. Found someone selling all the bolts and stuff on eBay. I needed a thermostat housing. Didn't mean to do that. Came with that part. Starter bolts. All the little miscellaneous bolts I had lost myself. And shout out to Raxium Lights. They sponsored me, so get a pretty good deal on everything. We're gonna get these unboxed and we're gonna do a test fit on all this stuff. Now I'm gonna give y'all a brief little rundown on what's really going on up under the hood and what's to come for the exterior and the interior. Just bear with me, give me 1 second while I get this unboxed. All right, so finally got those unboxed. And as you can tell, they tinted, just stock looking tail lights. Look pretty good, no marks on them. I'm surprised, because everybody be complaining about how American Muscle send their packages all raggedy, toe up, whatever. And I haven't had no problems yet. I ended up losing my tail lights and they was pretty faded, so I ended up going with these, and I think they're a good upgrade. So I'm gonna get everything in the car, then I'm gonna come show you what it looked like installed on the car if you haven't seen it before. Okay, so now that I got the lights in, I think it looked pretty good. I ain't got no real bumper because I plan on going with a shaved 03 Cobra bumper, or the shade bumper for these cars. I think it'll look much better than the regular GT bumper. Tinted, not too dark, not too bright. Man, it's gonna look so good when I'm done with it. And we finna walk around to the front. Car needs tires. I got the side skirt sitting on the roof. Whole lot of stuff going on with this car. Hey, so now we back to the front of the car, and as you can see, I got the headlights in, along with the Cobra bumper. Man, that looks so good. I can't wait to get this car finished. Okay, now so for a brief rundown on the car. As you can see, the wires all over the place, need to be spliced together, need to be taped. It really just need to be cleaned up. So while that's like that, I ended up doing a 4-valve swap on the car maybe 4 or 5 years ago. It didn't work out. It kept getting stuck with the cams on the passenger side. It kept scarring the cam journal. So, but that being said, the car just been sitting, and it's finally got a motor in it now. I got this motor out of 2011 Crown Vic with like 6,000 to 8,000 miles on it. It came from LKQ. Got a new plenum, which is Ford Racing. I got that off American Muscle open box for like 160. I got a new fuel rail because I lost mine, or I maybe I sold it. I can't remember. But either way, I had to get a new one because the 4-valve and 2-valve use a different fuel rail. I had to replace this line. I actually got that on the back of the truck, but the old one, it didn't have this connection part right here. It didn't have this part right here. So yeah, I had to end up doing all that. Last week, I got around to doing all the fuses because all the fuses they had, I don't know what the hell was wrong with them, I'm gonna be honest. Every time I put one fuse in, it'll blow another one. So I ended up just buying all new fuses and get that done. So now we finna go to the inside of the car, which don't mind my old hood. I plan on doing something about that also. See if I can get this door open without, it's gonna fall on the ground. Hell with it. Damn. So now for the inside of the car, As you can see, I got parts. This is for the AC line, power steering stuff, trunk lining, a brand new radiator. There's more interior stuff, some fucking spray. Got a transmission sitting on the ground, well, on the floor. I got to get this tent redone because it's peeling. I don't really understand what's going on with that tent. This door is definitely coming out. All the interior is coming out, getting scuffed and repainted. So the whole interior is gonna be black. Got rust right there, so try to get some paint over that, get that grinded down, sand it down so it don't rust again. I mean, overall, the interior is pretty good. Gotta get these seats clean, which I'm probably gonna get new seats. I'm not gonna have a back seat more than likely. I gotta get this roof off. It done had it better days. Get that sanded down, get ready for paint. So I mean, all in all, the car has made a good bit of progress. In over 5 years, it hasn't ran. I'm gonna get new carpet, new seats. The seats didn't have no problems, no issues, but I just want new seats. They probably be black and red. But all in all, I still got a few things. I gotta get this sensor. I gotta do all this wiring, get everything taken care of. I know I want to do the 03, 04 Cobra side mirrors because they retract in and out, which is pretty dope to me. Car pretty much it's trash box right now. Got my clutch in the back seat. So with that being said, I'm out. The car is still on jack stands as it stands right now. Next time I bring it to the channel, hopefully I'll be doing the first startup in over 5 years. So I'm super excited about that. I still need to get a plenum and get all my hoses and radiator and all the wiring. I need to get all that stuff done. I need to get some wheels, which would be the last thing, because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, buy wheels and the car don't run correctly. And I be stuck there with brand new wheels and the car still sitting in the grass. So I'm out. Catch me next time, and I'll be posting updates on this car just about every day now, since it's about to be a daily come soon once I get it right.